All right, people, it is that time. I will be doing an FZ10 oil change on this beast. There's no need to go out there and spend your hard-earned cash, to have a mechanic do it when it's literally like a 10 to 15 minute oil change. And then you check your tire pressure, you check your chain, check some of the bolts, just to make sure nothing's loose, and just make sure it's ready to go for the road. Check your brakes. I do that every so often because I'm a mechanic. I was a mechanic first before I was anything in life. So it's just my nature to always love to tinker and try to change stuff to make it better. Sometimes it doesn't happen that way, but try to make it better. I'm gonna do a quick oil change here, and then hopefully I'm gonna be able to get it out and go for a quick little ride with you. That bolt right there. Let's get the oil filter out. Can I manhandle it? No. I'm too slippery. No slippage, y'all. No slippage. Here we go. Wait a minute. Make sure you get that rubber gasket off of this thing, because if you lose the rubber gasket, you will have a nice little oil leak. I made that mistake on a car way back in the day. It only takes one time to learn that. Alrighty, put this one in the box. Just a little lube on the seal here. Make sure that one's off, which it is, the old one. Nice little snug. Just give it a nice little twist. Nothing too crazy. We'll leave that and let some of that oil drip. Let's take a look at our sight glass. Boom. So this you really want at half, but I still have to turn this on. This is gonna take it down a little bit, and I'm gonna have to top it off just a little bit. But it's green. I'm gonna clean some of this off. I kind of touched it, so you don't want that oil burning up. Nice. Battery evaporate. Looking good. All right, so I'm gonna clean the chain real quick and knock that out and show you guys how easy that is to do. I mean, I'm sure you guys are already doing it if you own any kind of motorcycle. At least I would hope so. Use chain wax, degreaser. Whew. This is the hardest part of this whole job, shaking this can. Most people like to cover it to keep their wheels from getting dirty, but I gotta clean the wheels anyways, so it don't even really matter to me right now. I just want to get a nice coat of wax on them. Keep this chain lube, baby. I got the top, now I'm gonna do the sides. Boom.
Get her out here in these streets with that fresh new oil. Feeling good. Finally had a nice little weather break where I can come out and take this baby out for a hot little spin. And I must say, she's riding smooth, riding real smooth. I didn't have to top the oil off because after I went back and checked the sight glass, it was spot on, right where you wanted to be, right in that middle spot. So it wasn't overfull and it wasn't under, it was spot on. And me being a certified mechanic, I actually like to work on a lot of my own stuff because I trust my work, I must say, more than, you know, some dealerships. Unless it's like something special or a special product or something, or not product, but a special piece that's needed or something I've never ever done before, then I'll leave it up to somebody who's got, you know, time and experience in doing that job. But if it's something like a oil change or, you know, something I feel that I'm comfortable doing, that I know with my skill set that I can do it, I'm gonna do it. Why not? I'm not saying you guys run out here and try to do a quick oil change, because some of you guys haven't even looked at a wrench, let alone pick one up. At least I hope that's not the case. But I just don't feel like, why pay somebody to do something that I can do?